Okay, we're back. And now I've already poured a cup, but as you can see, there's a good head of steam coming out of there. And that was with 1 ounce of alcohol in the burner. And guess what? I used the whole ounce. Now, I don't have a thermometer to test the temperature there, but I can tell you, it's plenty hot for drinking. And that was using liquid creamer to cream it up. Yes, I treat myself. I get liquid creamer. This is Coffee Mate liquid creamer. This is the sweet Italian sweet cream. I like that. I'd rather it be Irish cream, but we can't have everything. And when you buy it at the Dollar Tree, you take what you can get. And generally, they only have the 3 flavors: sweet Italian, hazelnut, and French vanilla. And I'm not a big fan of the other 2. So, you take what you can get. So, from here at Camp Smithy, there's another concept video. Peace out.
By the way, don't forget to